How to fix couldn't load launcher core in Minecraft. So what you want to do is head over to your web browser and copy this link right here and enter, and the download should start automatically. And now that it's downloaded, open the file location of the download. As you can see, I downloaded it already, so I'm just gonna open this up, minimize the window, and drag this folder into my desktop. So what you want to do next is go down to the Windows search bar, type in Minecraft and open file location. From here, go to game, and now that you've opened this, go to the Minecraft launcher error solved. Select all of this and drag it into here and replace the files in the destination. And now that we've done with this, the error should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.